Blank-out moments in exams. How to reset your mind in 30 seconds. Let me talk about something very real that students experience but rarely discuss openly. The blank-out moment. You look at the question, you know you have studied it, but suddenly the mind feels empty. This doesn't mean you are unprepared. It means your nervous system has suddenly taken over. Think about a time when someone suddenly called your name loudly. For a second, your mind froze. That's exactly what happens during a blankout. It's a temporary response, not a permanent block. The golden rule. Never fight a blankout. Reset it. 30-second grounding technique. I want every student to remember this. Feel, breathe, focus. Place both feet firmly on the floor. Inhale slowly for 5 counts. Hold for 5 counts. Exhale slowly for 5 counts. Repeat this 3 times. While exhaling, gently press your toes into the floor. This sends one clear message to the brain. I am safe. Blood flow returns to the thinking part of the brain. Memory reconnects. Then do one powerful thing. Attempt the simplest question you know well. Momentum brings clarity. Important reminder. Blankouts are not failure. They are signals to pause, not panic. Every strong performer knows how to reset. Calm restores memory. Breathe restores clarity. You don't need to remember everything at once. You only need to reset and begin.